Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have solved some examples on limit points. Now we shall see some results on derived set. Okay, derived set nothing but the set of all limit points is called derived set. Okay, characteristics of closed sets in terms of derived set. First one, let X tau be a topological space and A contained in X. Then A is closed if A contained in A or derived set of A contained in A. This is here X tau is a topological space and A is contained in X. Then we have to show that A is closed set if this condition holds good. In the converse case, if this condition holds good, then we have to show that A is closed. Okay. Let A be a closed set. We have taken A is closed. Here we have to prove that A dash contained in A or derived set of A contained in A. Okay. A is a closed set, nothing but complement of A is open set. Okay. Suppose X is an element of this open set. That is A complement containing X. A complement is open set containing X. But it contains no point of A other than X. Here A complement is open set containing X, but this does not contain any point of A other than X. Okay, this shows that X is not a limit point of A. This is by the definition of limit point. Thus, no point of A complement is a limit point of A. Okay, conversely, every limit point of A is in A. Therefore, derived set of A contained in A. Converse part, suppose derived set of A contained in A and we must show that A is closed. Okay, A is closed or equivalently complement of A is open. Both are same. Okay, now let X be an arbitrary point of this set A complement. Suppose X belongs to A complement. This implies X is element of A complement, nothing but X is not element of A. X does not belongs to A. This implies X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to derived set of A because D of A contained in A. Okay. X does not belongs to A. X does not belongs to derived set of A, nothing but X is not a limit point of A. Okay. This implies there exists an open set G such that X contained in G and G intersection A equals pi. X belongs to G contained in A complement. This shows that A complement is by the definition of neighborhood. This shows that A complement is the neighborhood of its points and therefore A complement is open. A complement is open, nothing but A is closed. Okay. Second theorem. Let X tau be a topological space and let A contained in X. A is closed if A complement is open. Here it is given that X tau is a topological space and A is contained in X. Here we have to show that A is closed. First take A is closed, then prove A complement is open. In the converse case, first take A complement is open, then we have to prove A is closed. Okay, first case, let A be a closed set. Closed set, nothing but derived set of A contained in A. Okay. If X belongs to A complement, then X belongs to A complement, nothing but X does not belongs to A. And therefore, X does not belongs to derived set of A. Okay. Consequently, there exists an open set G such that X belongs to G contained in A complement. Okay, this by the definition of neighborhood, this shows that A complement is the neighborhood of each of its points. That is, A complement is a neighborhood of each of its points, nothing but A complement is open. This is proved. Okay, converse part. Let A complement is open. Then no point of this A complement is a limit point of A. No point of A complement is a limit point of A. For if X belongs to A complement, then A complement is open set containing X, but containing no point of A. Consequently, every limit point of A is in A, that is derived set of A contained in A. Hence, A is a closed set.